Hey everyone, it's Charity, and today we are in the kitchen because we are doing easy, healthy meals. So I basically have one meal for breakfast, one that you could do for either lunch or dinner, and a snack you could do whenever you're feeling a little bit hungry. The thing I love about these meals a lot is that they're very interchangeable. So of course you could use whatever toppings or ingredients you prefer the most. And personally, on a day-to-day basis, I love making meals that are easy, don't take too many ingredients, and don't take too much time. Maybe you want to try some of these meals out. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. And side note, I did chop off my hair. I've had long hair for a really long time now, but it's something I've wanted to do for a while now. And to be honest, I did want to cry for a second, but I'm actually really loving it, and it's something that I think I've needed to do for a while now. But yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get back to the video. Alright, so the first meal we're going to make for breakfast is the overnight oats, which again is super easy to make. You need basically 4 ingredients. So you're gonna have your Quaker oats. I personally like the 1-minute oats, but you could also use old-fashioned oats. I know that's more recommended for overnight oats. So we're gonna use oatmeal, whatever protein that you're probably currently using. I just like the Vega protein and greens. You could find this one at Target. This is basically like a vegan protein powder, and I think it's perfect if you are probably lactose intolerant and you don't want dairy in your protein. I also like to add chia seeds in my oats and a scoop of peanut butter as well, and then my choice of milk would be almond milk, but you could also try like oat milk, coconut milk, whatever milk that you prefer the most. And that is basically it, guys. You cover it, throw it in the fridge overnight, and there is your overnight oats. You could always add Greek yogurt if you like, granola. I honestly love granola with my overnight oats, but one morning I was eating granola and I chipped a tooth, and now I'm down 1 tooth, so I'm probably gonna stay away from granola for a little bit. Alright, and so for the Buddha bowl or nutrition bowl, you're going to basically pick your favorite veggies. I have sweet peppers, broccoli, sweet potato for the carbs. I also picked up a butternut squash, which I've never tried before, so kind of interested to see what the flavor will be like for this one. I also have some Brussels sprouts, cilantro because I love cilantro. I do have a chopped onion that I'm going to throw in the oven as well. And then I do have a couple of sauces that I'm probably going to just mix around. So I picked up these 2. This is Asian sesame ginger. And then this is a Walden Farms Chipotle Ranch. Now the thing about these 2 and the main difference I think for me is that the calories are much different. So this one comes with 110 calories per serving. This one literally has 0 calories in the sauce. So if you're like me and you're in a caloric deficit, you're trying to cut calories, it's probably best if you choose a dressing that has 0 or little calories. But once I try this one out, I am just going to limit the amount of sauce I add. 2 other ingredients that will go really well in these bowls are going to be Greek yogurt and hummus that I just picked up from the grocery store. So all we're going to really do is prep the veggies. We're going to sprinkle a little bit with salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil. We're going to throw it into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. And after that, you're just going to fix up the bowl and it's basically ready to eat. And lastly, guys, we're going to be making some banana soft serve ice cream. This is super easy to make. You just need 4 ingredients, or at least that's the ingredients I'm using. You could obviously change it depending on what flavor you like. So all you're gonna need is 1 frozen banana, again your choice of protein powder, some almond milk, and I like to top it with some semi-sweet mini chocolate chip morsels. And I really do think that adding this in is really a game changer for this snack. Alright guys, so this is the banana soft serve. I'm going to try it on camera for you guys, even though I've had it so many times already. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this soft serve is pretty freaking delicious. And the fact that it's only made with 4 ingredients just kind of blows my mind. Obviously if you don't like banana, this probably won't be something that you should try, but this hands down could easily replace any craving I have for sweet or ice cream. I usually have that craving like almost every night, and this definitely does the trick. Super easy to make. Honestly, you guys need to try this out for yourself. That is the Buddha bowl slash nutrition bowl. I'm gonna try it on camera for you guys. I did add a little bit of sriracha just because I do like the spiciness. I do have to say that the sauces really came through. I just added a little bit of each. The Asian sesame, the chipotle ranch is actually really good, which is surprising because it's a 0-calorie dressing. A little bit of the Greek yogurt and hummus is a great combination as well. The one thing I do want to mention again is obviously there's no high source of protein, so of course add whatever protein you like. Personally, I would add probably tofu next time, and I think that would definitely complete this bowl. But other than that, I really enjoy this a lot, and I think it's super easy to make. Obviously, go ahead, add whatever protein you like. But yeah, I hope that some of you found some inspiration from some of the meals we had today. Obviously, you know, change it up to whatever your preference is, whatever toppings or veggies or ingredients you prefer to use. Anyways, gonna finish my lunch and hope to see you guys in the next one.